The rough and racing now. We've got Tisay jumps for the early lead, rushing up on the outside and diving for the lead is Mika as they swing down the back. Now we've got Mika, a solo leader, leads by about 5 lengths. Right behind in second comes 3A, and that is Mama, Please Don't Cry, followed over by Forever My Love, and running in fourth we've got Mika, racing second last Just Memory, and Tisay is running at the tail of the field. Past the last 800, Mika, a solo flight, still leads by about 5 lengths, and in second still is Forever My Love, then finding it out with Mama, Please Don't Cry. But this one, Mika is still the one to catch up, leads by about 2.5 lengths. Tisay now moving up to take second as they turn for home. Mika just in front, leads by 1.5 lengths. Tisay moving up on the outside and now giving a challenge, and down the stretch they come. Mika, Tisay moving up, and finally it's Tisay, Mika, Forever My Love, then comes Just Memory.
There you have it, another long shot